In how many ways can the word education be jumbled up to form a new word such that all vowels are segregated? Now, in such kind of questions, first of all, count the number of vowels and consonants. So vowels, we have E, U, A, I, O. That is five vowels are there. Consonants are D, C, T, N. That is four consonants are there. Now, whenever the condition is on vowels, now vowels are segregated, so condition is on vowels. So we arrange the consonants first. So let's arrange the consonants like this. On each side of consonant, if we create a dash, we can have the positions available for vowels with which they can satisfy the condition that all vowels are segregated. Now, we have five dashes created and the vowels are five as well. So therefore, now we have to arrange the consonants first. So that becomes 4 factorial multiplied by. Now, the general concept for segregation is that number of dashes p number of segregated items. So number of dashes are 5 and number of segregated items, that is the vowels, are 5. So therefore it becomes 5p5. So therefore it becomes 4 factorial multiplied by 5 factorial. Now there is no option which is exactly like 4 factorial into 5 factorial, but we can adjust it. 5 factorial, we can write it down as 5 into 4 factorial, and we have this 4 factorial. So now we can write this down as 5 into 4 factorial square. So that becomes our answer, option B.